Hey, it was Gucci and the Coochie guys. So this video is kind of old, probably about 3-4 weeks back, maybe 2 weeks back, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 4 weeks, I don't know. But this video is basically explaining why I want to get rid of Becky, why I want to trade Becky in. And if you don't know, Becky is my car, which is a Honda Civic Si, the 9th gen 2013 sedan. I didn't have to say that much, but I did. Anyways, yeah, I want to trade it in, and in this video I'm going to tell you why I want to trade it in, what I want to get, how to wisely choose a car if it's your first time getting a car. I'm editing the video right now. So we are out here. Oh shit. There's a fucking guy out there. I don't want to look at me like I'm stupid. There's a guy over there. I don't want to go outside looking like this with this GoPro on my head. You know what I'm saying? He's going to be like, who the fuck is this dumb? Oh shit, he's coming. Shit. He's better be like, who the fuck is this? He thinks he's a YouTuber. He thinks he got clout. He got a GoPro on his head. Like, what the fuck? So we're gonna go ahead and wait for these to pass by. And I think they have passed. Oh shit, he has not passed. He's right there. He's right there, Val. I do not want to go outside looking like this. And he's going back to his car, as you can see. So let's go ahead and take this shit off and just put it in. We're going to do that. Guys, we're going to go ahead and record this video today. And yeah, it's a beautiful day outside. It's a fan.
Hey, yo, Slime, I just really want to apologize for this part of the video. I know as soon as I walked through that door, my voice just instantly, got really soft and quiet, and I kind of sound like a predator, stalker type shit, and I just really want to apologize for that. And also, I want to say I'm sorry for just really talking so damn ugly. Like I said, here's my Honda Civic Si, and yeah, like I just really sound so ugly, so please ignore this part of the video. But yeah, you know what I'm saying, you dig, Slime, beat, Nick, no.
Fantastic day outside, actually. We're gonna go ahead and record this video. See how this bitch works. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, here's my Honda Civic Si 2013 9th gen FB6. Hence the FB6 John. That is why I call myself FB6 John, because right now I'm rocking. That's why, bitch. Anyways, we're gonna go ahead and see how the preview looks like. See. Alright guys, so I don't know if you can tell, but the last footage before this clip was actually about 2 days ago, I think. The reason for that is because, I've been having actually trouble trying to figure out how to fucking record with this fucking GoPro, bro. I seem to have got it now. Let me close the windows. I seem to have got it now, so hopefully everything goes well right now, and I don't have to restart once again. It's gonna be kind of me explaining why I want to trade in my car that I have right now, which is a Honda Civic Si, and also just giving a few tips on how to fucking get your first car if you are looking into buying a car, whether it's your first time or your second time, whatever. You know what I'm saying? You just got your license, woohoo, big deal, wow, yay, thank you, oh my god, congratulations, yada yada yada. You know what I'm saying? But if you are looking into getting a car, it's a big deal, big part of your life. First car, new license, you got your permit, whatever. You know what I'm saying? You're at that age, you're getting a car, you're able to drive, and driving is a privilege. Remember that shit. You get tickets, you get pulled over, you could get your license suspended, get your car taken away from your parents, depending on each parent, you know what I'm saying? So driving is a privilege, remember that. Man, the situation that I'm in right now, it kind of sucks, It's not horrible, because I don't hate SIs, I don't, hate this car, but I'm saying it could be better. I could be more satisfied, I could be more happier, waking up every day, seeing my beautiful car that I wish I did have. I mean, this car is beautiful, but like if I would have had that one car that I wanted, everything would have been even more better, even better. Let me just tell you or explain. When I was looking for a car, I wanted a manual transmission, stick shift, not automatic. And at that time, I was kind of learning how to drive stick shift. I wanted a stick shift car when I didn't know it fluently. Yes, I know it sounds stupid, but that's what I wanted to do. I wanted to get a stick shift manual transmission car and really teach myself more teach myself more how to drive stick shift just by getting a car and not really knowing how to drive it. When I did get this car, I did not know how to drive it. I stalled right when I started it up and tried to back out of the parking lot. But eventually, I obviously learned. I'm driving it right now, you know what I'm saying? The reason why I'm telling you that is because, you look, when you are learning something new, especially, you know, learning how to drive or drive stick shift, it's very exciting, super exciting. You know, you just want to jump right into it and just get a car for you every single day. It's just your car, nobody else's. Nobody else wants to be like, oh, you know, let me take it out for a drive. Oh, I'm gonna bring it to work. Oh, I'm taking it out. You know what I'm saying? You're not sharing it. It's just for you, and that's a really good feeling, really great feeling. You know, very exciting. Yeah, I did rush it. You know, I was very excited to get a stick shift car and my first car of my own. I did have a car before this, but it was automatic, and it really wasn't my car. It was more of a passed down car from my dad to my sister to my other sister and then to me, something like that. But you know, it wasn't really that special. So I did rush it. It was around my birthday. You know, I really just wanted a car so I can learn stick shift. I did have a couple in mind. I had a Subaru in mind, a GTI in mind, Mazda hatch in mind. You know, I really loved hatches. I really loved hatchbacks. I love GTI hatchbacks, Mazda hatchbacks, but the number one hatchback that I really wanted was a fucking Subaru hatchback, a WRX or ST. I didn't really care, honestly. I would probably even settle for a sedan, you know, Subaru. I didn't really care, but I really loved hatches. Okay, one day I saw Focus STs online on the web. You know, I saw pictures, I saw videos, but it just didn't really attract me. You know what I'm saying? I was like, oh, you know, they're not really nice. They look like mom cars, like fucking soccer cars. Like, I'm about to go to soccer practice. Like, bro, I'm not gonna go to soccer practice. Like, what the fuck? I'm about to go drive around, go to work, go show off, you know what I'm saying? Go to car meets, yada, yada, yada. So I didn't want that car. I didn't want an ST. But one day, you know, I was going to a bunch of dealerships looking for cars. Which car should I buy? Which car should I buy? You know, and I ran into a Focus ST. And from that day on, I fell in love with STs, you know? I loved hatches already. I wanted a Subi hatch, okay? But as soon as I saw the Focus ST, I was like, yo, this mom soccer van, it's a cute ass mom soccer van, you know what I'm saying? So I wanted it from that day on. Fuck the Subi hatch, fuck the Mazda hatch, fuck the GTI, fuck all those other hatches, fuck the STIs, fuck the sedans, fuck all that bullshit. And I wanted the ST. Honestly, an SI really wasn't on my list of cars of what I wanted, but you know, it was there. It was probably one of the last options. I didn't really mess with Hondas like that. I didn't really want a Honda. But turns out, you know, obviously, you know, you see it, I do not have a ST. I have a SI Honda Civic. I'm not complaining. I'm not, you know, disappointed. I see them around now everywhere. Well, a lot of places I go, you rarely see STs. When I see an ST, I'm like, wow, bro. Holy, bro, them Jones is beautiful. They're gorgeous. They're magnificent. They're fantastic. They're fabulous, man. It's like, bro, I wish I had that. You know what I'm saying? So it's like, it makes me really jealous. It's like, bro, I really wanted that car. You know, I really wish I had that car. When I see it, I do get jealous in a way. But, you know, I got the SI. I really just wanted a hatchback. I wanted the ST. Another reason why I want to get rid of this car or trade it in is because I really wanted a turbo car. You know, I wanted a car with turbo. I wanted a Subi, they have turbo. GTI, turbo. Mazda Speed 3, the hatch with the, you know, with the turbo in it. I love the cars with turbos. You know, I don't know why. You know, having VTEC is nice and all. You know, it's unique. A Honda thing, you know what I'm saying? VTEC. It's nice. It sounds nice. It sounds beautiful. It's like, I can't imitate the sound, but you get the point. It sounds beautiful. It's unique. But, like, I don't know. For some reason, I just really want that turbo. I really love that turbo. You know, you can get the blow-up valves, like, you know what I'm saying? Or get the turbo flood. It's like, but you get the point, man. I really wanted a turbo car, and I did not get it, and I'm really kind of disappointed. I'm kind of, you know, blown. Another reason I would say is because everywhere you go, where I live, everywhere you go, you know, you see an SI, like almost everywhere. You see SI, Honda Civic, Honda, Honda. It gets to the point where it's annoying, you know. Me being me, what I like is being unique. I like standing out. I like showing. I like standing out. I would like to be like, have that car where if somebody sees you that you know or knows of you, they're like, oh, that's John. Oh, is that Jonathan? Hell yeah, that's Jonathan, brother. Do you see anybody else with a car like that? No, you don't, motherfucker. So like that's John, you know what I'm saying? Like I like to stand out like that. I like to attract attention. I'm an attention seeker. I'm not gonna lie. Saying I'm not an attention seeker. Don't call me that shit. But yeah, man, I like standing out. I like being unique. I like being different. I don't like being in the category of where everybody else is at and being together with everybody, you know what I'm saying? I like being different. I like having my own ways, my own style, my own this, my own that, you know what I'm saying? I like standing out. It's like I'd rather have, alright, let's say everybody's wearing black or red or gray. I would be that dumbass douchebag to just wear yellow or some bright ass blue color. I don't be wearing stuff like that, but like I'm just saying, I'm giving you an example, you know. I'll be that guy that just stands out. Another reason I would say that I, want to trade this car in is because, the speed. It's not really known as a fast car. A lot of SIs actually get hate, for being slow, being fake race cars, or not being, yeah, I really want a faster car, a car that's faster and have more competition, you know what I'm saying? With SIs, you don't really have that much competition unless, obviously you mod it out, you know what I'm saying? You tune it, you do all that, you get bolt-ons, all that type of bullshit, you know what I'm saying? A lot of SIs get hate, and I don't really like that, you know what I'm saying? By no means that I say I was fast or that my SI was fast. I know it's not fast. I know SIs are usually, like in general, stock SIs are just not fast. I want a faster car. I want to be faster, without having to put in that much work, you know what I'm saying? Without having to put many mods, I just want to be faster in general. I'm not gonna hate on SIs, just hate on SIs. SIs are really good. They're very cheap to fix, to mod out, you know what I'm saying? Hondas have a good, they're very durable. I've had this car for I'm not gonna say almost a year, but I've had this car for about maybe 7-8 months, and so far I haven't had to do anything to it to fix it. I haven't had to maintain it or repair it. I haven't had to take it to mechanic shops or repair anything on it, you know what I'm saying? It's very durable. They're known to be durable. Hondas, they're really good. They're nice cars. A lot of people have Hondas, even automatics. Hondas, they're very durable. They last a long time, and they're just really nice cars. They're cheap to fix. They're cheap to mod out. A lot of people have Hondas. But for me, it's just, I don't like that. I don't like how a lot of people have Hondas. I don't like how I don't really stand out. I like to stand the out. Like, I like to stand out and be noticed. You don't really see many STs around it, in my opinion. Or at least I don't see many STs around. I don't know, I just really love hatches, man. I really love hatches. I really love it. Also, another reason I would say is because when I was looking for cars to buy, I did not want a white color. I wanted red. I wanted red or black. Now, I'm not saying I hate white. I'm not saying, it had to be red or black. But I'm saying I would very much prefer to have a red or black car. I really like those colors. Maybe even blue, to be honest. I wouldn't mind blue. Honestly, if I were to get another SI in the future, it would probably be, one of the newest ones with turbo. It would probably be red or black, and maybe even a coupe, to be honest. I like SI coupes. I like SI coupes more than sedans. Yeah, man, if you're looking for a car, do not do what I did. Do not rush it. When you're looking for a car, we're gonna have multiple cars that you're looking at, and a group of different cars, different brands, different this, different that, you know what I'm saying? And that's good. You're probably within those groups, you're probably gonna have a number one pick, a second pick, a third pick, fourth pick, one being the most one that you want, the best one that you want, and fourth being the last one you want, you know what I'm saying? And what I'm telling you right now, if you have the time and if you have the patience, wait in order for you to get the number one pick. If you have to wait a little more, a couple months, maybe even years down the line, you will not get tired of it. You won't want to trade it in like I want to trade my car in right now, because just everywhere you go, you might see your dream car, your favorite car that you were going to get, your favorite car that you wanted, like your number one pick that you wanted. You're gonna see it around. Maybe you're gonna get so jealous. You're gonna be like, oh man, I should have fucking waited. I should have got that car, this and that, you know what I mean? So if you can wait. Save up more money, get a bigger down payment going on, you know what I'm saying? Save up for a bigger down payment, you know what I'm saying? Get your number one pick car. That's a good thing to do if you have the patience, if you have the time. Some people aren't in that financial status. Some people don't have that opportunity to get every single car that they want. Some people don't have many options to choose from, and that's perfectly fine. But try to get the car that you want. Don't settle for anything less. Don't settle for is less than what you really want. You know what I'm saying? If you want a car and you settle for something less, your second pick, your third pick, I mean, maybe that's okay. A couple months down the line, you might be like, man, I should have got that number one pick. I should have got this car. I should have got that car. Yeah, man.